Flight has fascinated humans for centuries. Insects were the first creatures to take to the skies. They achieved flight around 400 million years ago. The wings of insects evolved from ancestral body structures. Insects can fly in different directions and hover. Birds evolved from theropod dinosaurs around 150 million years ago. Feathers played a crucial role in the evolution of birds. Birds developed a lightweight skeletal structure for flight. Different species of birds have adapted varied flight techniques. The evolution of flight has helped birds access food resources. Flying allows for escaping from predators. Birds can migrate long distances due to their ability to fly. Insects and birds have different types of wings for flight. Gliding and flapping are two main flight styles. Hummingbirds can hover thanks to their unique wing structure. Each bird species has adapted wings suited to its environment. Flight has implications for reproductive success in birds. Bird song aids in communication during flight. Birds help in pollination and seed dispersal as they fly. Flight has profound ecological impacts in various ecosystems. Insects and birds contribute to food webs through flight. Flying creatures face various evolutionary pressures. Climate changes can affect migratory patterns in birds. Urban environments pose new challenges for flying species. The study of flight helps in technology and biomimicry. Bats represent a unique evolution of powered flight. Insects' flight mechanisms inspire drone technology today. Ongoing research continues to unravel secrets of flight. Understanding flight enhances our appreciation of biodiversity. The journey of flight continues to evolve even today.